particle executing harmonic oscillation, that we call it as harmonic oscillator. Okay, the particle moves between two extreme positions, and when the object reaches extreme position, suppose here you have the pendulum, at the time it starts to, so it reaches the extreme position B, it reaches extreme position A. Before it starts returning, the moment, and then it comes back from there. So velocity can be velocity is 0, and something that brings the object back to the main position, that we call it as restoring force. Okay, and the object crosses the mean position and comes to the extreme position. From there it's again, that motion repeats. So here the object moves to and fro. At extreme position velocity is 0, and at the middle point velocity is maximum. Okay, now let us understand some few important definitions. The important definitions are displacement. Suppose displacement is a distance moved by the particle along the direction of motion at any instant of time. So here we have a spring, attached to that spring we have a block, and the object may move up to A and B. Okay, so while going from O to A, suppose if the block has reached somewhere in between, and this distance that we call it as x, this distance that we call it as x. So that distance x we call it as displacement. Okay, now amplitude is a maximum distance traveled by the block to any extreme position. It may be OA, amplitude may be OA or OB. Displacement can be anywhere in between OB or OA. Now time period is a time taken to complete one oscillation. One oscillation means the object starts from B, it goes up to A and it comes back to B. Or object starts from O, goes up to B, then goes up to A and comes back to O. Or object starts from A and goes up to B and comes back to A. That time taken for one complete oscillation, that we call it as time period. Now next topic, that is frequency. Frequency is number of oscillations in 1 second, that we call it as frequency. That is expressed in terms of a unit called as hertz. So n equal to 1 by t, that is the value of, that is the formula for frequency, and that we call it is having a unit called as hertz. Frequency may be expressed in terms of certain other terms, that frequency may be expressed f or nu. These are the letters used to represent frequency, and the unit of that is hertz.